Consistency. This video is going to be a really practical guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing the positive things on the long run and also stop doing the negative things on the long run. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. Currently got a more than 190 days straight morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram, you can just check it out. And I also want to be the best at helping people build consistency, that's why I consistently rehearse on my live stream. And hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. So this is May 24th, 2025, and this is going to be day 320 of consistently helping people build consistency. So when we are talking about consistency, we are not only talking about doing the positive things on the long run, we are also talking about stopping doing the negative things on the long run. And these two things actually pretty much correlate. Okay? So I got a problem. I don't know, you guys might actually also have this problem, not in the same way, but maybe in a slightly different way. But my problem here is that some of the days I just spend my time, waste my time, doom scrolling on social media for hours and hours, consuming entertainment mindlessly. Okay? So basically, the problem lies within consuming entertainment mindlessly, and I'm pretty sure you guys also have this kind of problem. Well, not in the 100% same way as me, but yeah. The problem lies within, the problem doesn't necessarily lies within the entertainment itself. It lies within the way how I consume it. Okay? So here's the thing. I gotta think to myself, why do I need to do the hard things? Like exercising and studying and meditating, put so much effort and time on it when I just can, just lay down on my bed and just scroll Instagram for hours and hours and also feel the good feelings, okay? With so little effort, okay? Instant gratification. So basically, the problem doesn't necessarily lies within the entertainment itself. It lies within when we just make entertainment as a runaway from doing the thing that we should be doing. So we got limited time, we got limited energy, and we need to allocate our time and energy wisely, okay? Because the more time we spend, we spend consuming entertainment mindlessly, the less time we got to do the positive things like studying, exercising, and meditating, right? So there's this one really effective method that you can use. The idea is not mine, so this is a pretty common idea. It's the idea, it's the method of physical reminder. It can be something like this, okay? So basically, this is going to be a physical reminder for me not to doom scroll, okay? So I tell to myself, hey, you know what? Yeah, you should not doom scroll, okay? You should not doom scroll as long as you wear this physical reminder, okay? But I'm not going to I'm not going to the extreme, okay? I still, to some extent, can consume some social media, okay? But not as long as I wear this physical reminder, okay? So the rule is simple. I can put off this physical reminder at 8 p.m. till 9 p.m. every single day, basically creating a 1 hour limit of how much social media can I consume on a day-to-day basis. So actually, it's really important though. I believe that it's really important not to go to the extreme. For example, if you wanted to, if you are already consuming social media for hours and hours and hours for years, I think it's going to be a wise choice instead of just stopping social media consumption, immediately, like just suddenly, oh yeah, I'm going to stop consuming social media. I believe it's going to be way better for you, for us, to just say to ourselves, you know what, instead of just completely stopping it, why don't we try to limit it? Okay, so 1 hour every single day. Because when we just go to the extreme like that, maybe our brain is going to be able to stick to it on day one. But on day two, when the motivation has gone, okay, our brain might think like, oh, you know what, this is way too extreme, this is way too unrealistic. I crave social media so much. You know what, just forget about this role. I'm just gonna doom scroll social media for hours and hours and hours. And we do not want that to happen. When we go to moderation like this, when we just, limit it, okay, limit it first, our brain is going to be thinking, oh, you know what? I'm still able to consume social media, but not now. Okay. I got the time to consume social media. So basically, we are practicing self-control and also negotiate with our brain. Our brain is going to be thinking, well, you know what, this is pretty reasonable. Though I can still consume social media, but at a particular time of the day. So why this is effective? When we do not consume the entertainment, right, the digital entertainment on the other time of the day, our brain is also still going to get bored, right? Because it doesn't get any entertainment that it used to get, right? And when it's bored, right, it's going to find another way of entertaining itself. Okay? You know what? Yeah, I'm bored right now. Why don't I do my exercise? Because, to some extent, exercising is also fun. And basically, our brain also rewards us for doing the positive things like exercising. Okay? That's why most of the times we feel good when we finish some exercising session, we finish our studying session, we finish a meditation session, because our brain tells us that, hey, you know what, you are actually doing something good about your life. Here is some positive reward, positive good feelings for you. That's just an oversimplification. So again, basically, when we have this limit, okay, of have a really clear time when are we going to consume the entertainment, the other time of the day, our brain is still going to get bored, and it's going to be finding another way to find its entertainment. Okay, it can be through exercising, meditating, studying, and lots of other things. And also, I will argue that actually the entertainment is going to feel even way more enjoyable this way. The 8 p.m. till 9 p.m. entertainment is going to feel even way more enjoyable, because we are going to be thinking like, hey, you know what? This entertainment, this 1 hour of entertainment is going to be a reward for me for actually doing the hard things. Okay, I've done my exercise, I've done my studying, now it's time to just relax, okay? And I deserve this. Comparatively, when we do not have this kind of mechanism, when we just spend hours and hours mindlessly consuming entertainment and not do our thing, okay? We are going to feel guilty, okay? Oh, you know what? I should have done my exercise. I should have done my studying. Why do not I do it? Why didn't I do it? Okay? And we do not want this to happen. So basically, that's how you actually be consistent at doing something, by making your brain bored and also limiting your social media and entertainment consumption. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord, would really appreciate that. And also, you can also support my long form videos on Gumroad by buying me a coffee. Yeah. For today's date, authenticity post, today's May 24th, 2025, and today's memes are posted a panda post last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now. Thank you.